Hey everyone, Miguel here and welcome to the channel. Well guys, this is new to me, but I've just received a payment. Basically this is is related with that, but specifically more with Binance, alright? And why is that? Because Binance, from what I understood, they are upgrading their security in terms of their wallets. And what does this make? That the wallet address that I have from this withdrawal that I did is already outdated, okay? And this makes that my deposit is here on my Binance account already, but it hasn't been fully credited. And I've been going around and around trying to find a solution for it, and I finally understood what happened and what are the procedures for this situation. Okay, so guys, watch this video until the end, okay, so that you can really understand what to do in this type of situation. Okay, down below guys, don't forget to give that like, subscribe to my channel, and let's still until the end so that you learn all these important steps. So on my Binance, on my spot accounts, okay, you can see in here that I've got only 228 US dollars. What's happening here? You click here and see more details, right? And you see that from today, this was actually a withdrawal that I did from the project that I'm in. It got in here, but as you go through, you click in here on the deposit, and it says that it's waiting for the user confirmation. So every single step has been done. All the network confirmation, it only needs one. And but the amount still is pending, right? Because this wallet address that I have in here is getting invalid in the next 3 weeks, from what I've learned. What does it make? That I need to confirm personally that I want to deposit these funds onto my Binance account and to go through that, okay? How I found out? I tried to first get some more info. So here on the top right, on this exclamation, you have click there. I tried to understand what happened and about Imagine Crypto deposit and withdrawal. I've clicked there, and from here, the support center, you go to the support center, and imagine in this case why hasn't my deposit been credited? I click there and I've gone through these details, so it should been gone. From these details everything should be, but in case if you have guys, this is also helpful for you for any other procedure, any funds that don't arrive in your Binance account. You can do these details. I'm doing this on my cell phone, obviously. On your computer, if you do this little different way of doing it, but you will get there also. Then imagine down below, I read all through this, and I went to the deposit status query. I inserted the transaction ID from this deposit on Binance. I click successful, and guys, this is for any issues related with deposits that don't arrive on your account. Okay, and you insert the transaction ID, and you will get a reply, or on your, most likely on your email. Now, back to the point here. I will go back. So this is if you have any issues with your deposits or withdrawals being credited here on Binance, or if you send to any other exchange. This can help you in those different steps for you to get there, okay? Now, specific for this issue, what happened? So it says here, I've got 27.77 USDT that are waiting user confirmation. What do I need to do now? Okay, I'll go back. All right, so you see in here on the top right, okay, this little like clock in here, you click there and you will see some more details. So this is transaction history from all of your transactions that you did, okay, either that you've received or that you have sent, and you can see in here. So this is in Portuguese, but it says your address has been updated to a TSS address. Your previous address is almost becoming invalid. To take an effect this deposit, you need to click the what is it? You need to make sure you need to click there, okay? And from that point, you can just click it and your transaction. So let me click here. So your request has been received and your deposit will be concluded within 60 minutes. Your address has been updated to a TSS address and your is going to be invalid. From your next transaction, deposit to your new address. Okay, so basically this is it, guys. And now this is going to confirm, and very soon I will have my deposit here, this 27 US dollars on my Binance account. I don't know, it can take up to 60 minutes. So also on a side note, important, if you see any outdated wallets, you need to update them, okay? Imagine in this specific case, I will no longer send funds to the address that I've got there. I need to update it to the newly USDT address, and then the funds will be credited correctly with no delays, and things can go much faster, which is what we all want. All right, guys, I believe that this has been very valuable information. Down below, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe to my channel, click the bell, turn on notifications, and thank you much for listening, and I will see you on the next one.